badly performed bridges are the worst. I just can't get over them. Most people remember doing bridges from their childhood, but today we're going to do more like a half bridge because, let's face it, none of us are acrobatics. So one thing to keep in mind, even though it's not a complete bridge, it's still very intense on your leg, so do it with caution. So first off, as you can see from the diagram, you want to start off with your shoulders back against the floor and your body straight against the floor. And then you want to raise your knees and slowly lift your hips up until your shoulders, hips, and knees form a straight line. For this exercise, it's not necessary, but it's better to have a resistance band around you. As well, make sure you have a lot of open space and a soft and flat material like a carpet or a mat to lie your back on. Do you remember that really bad and horrible joke I said at the beginning? Well, it had some merit to it, as a badly performed bridge is just horrible. It doesn't do much good to you, nor does it do much good for your knees, which is the most important part about this. Alright, so let's get into it. So follow the instructions carefully and thoroughly. So straight off the bat, you want to have a flat back, shoulders back, and your knees should be bent about at this angle. Not too much and not too little. Your arms should be down and straight, and slowly, with your feet straight, lift your butt off the floor. So while you're lifting, the most important thing to note is that you should only be using your abs and your glutes, not your back or your shoulders. As well, pushing off with your feet can also help focus on the knee aspect of it. So once you've reached a straight line from your knees, hips, and shoulders, hold that position for 7 seconds. Then slowly go back down. Give yourself a second or two break and back up. Make sure your head is straight against the floor and not forward like this. Okay, so we're going to do this 10 more times. I'm not gonna lie to you, that was quite a hard one. But it has a lot of benefits too. The bridge is a great exercise as it works all through the gluteal muscles, the minimus, the maximus, and the medius. As well, it's great for improving overall body structure, and it stretches the hamstrings. Overall, it's just a great exercise in general, and if you anticipate lifting heavy loads in the future, then I strongly recommend this one. So, the next episode will be the entire routine put together into one. So, look forward to that, and I'll see you next time.